dari Ibu langsung udah dibuka.
Oh yeah, okay. Request access, yeah. Okay, so there are also talk about the press meetings, yeah. Press meetings that today. Today is the 20. Okay, I will. Yeah, I will. Okay. Seperti January, yeah, 2006. So it's a kind of the topics for next meetings, yeah. Next meetings, this one. So just focus on this one. That today is the post midterm test talk and teamwork group drawing. So for this session, I will ask you to make a group. Yeah, to make a group. I think that one group just consists of maximal 3 students. 2 students will be okay, but make sure that you will be able uh, to have a chance in order to improve your speaking skill. Yeah, and the topics. Okay, there are 1, 3, 4. Okay, for the meetings, company recruitment and employment. Yeah, this one. This is about the top. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17. I think that there will be 6 groups, and each group will consist of 3 students only. Yeah. So I will decide 6 leaders, and then you may choose, or the leader will choose it by yourself, or I will choose it for the groups. Which one do you choose? Leadernya yang pilih, atau anggotanya yang milih, atau saya pilihkan semua? Okay. Which one do you choose?
Membrani yang pilihkan.
Oh, semua saya pilihkan, ya. Okay, I will choose the leader first. Ya, the leaders di sini. Oke, saya mau tambahkan dulu. Saya pilihkan Desmond, and then Matthew, and then company recruitment and employment. So you will have about the and you have a role of about the recruitment system. Yeah, recruitment system. Okay, one of you or 2 of you will be the manager and the interviewer, and then another will be the interviewer or to have the job interview. Yeah, so one will be I think that the leader will be the interviewer, and then the member here as the interviewee to have a job. So you can choose or you can find the advertisement about the job recruitment, yeah, locker, and then you may choose the position that you wanna be, and then just play a role to have the conversation between the interviewer and the interviewee. Okay, and also please don't forget to submit the draft. Yeah, submit the draft before the class in WhatsApp group. Yeah, so just only the leader will send the draft, yeah, as the writing test that you had. Okay, just only the leader will send the draft in WhatsApp group. Okay. Any questions?
Where
Kirim ke mana?
Yeah.
Di WhatsApp group. Di WA. WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Baik, ma'am. Terima kasih.
Yeah, WA. Yeah. Okay. So don't forget about the duration. That each group will have only 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes only for each group. Yeah. So every meetings we will just only for about 30 minutes because all of you have has to be ready to practice the English, yeah, the English conversation like this. Okay, make sure that also your audio, your speaker, your microphone, yeah, will be clear, and also you will be able to practice the conversation. Yeah, this one. Okay. Wait, I will. Oh, belum, belum. Oh, udah ya, Salva. Okay, that's good, Salva. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, here are about the. Yeah, thank you, Desmond. Yeah. So this is about the instructions, yeah, for group conversation that you will work in a group of 3 students to conduct about 3 minutes online conversation. Yeah. Okay, like usually that Gmeet. Okay. But I think that for no WhatsApp call, yeah, unless if there is something trouble with the Zoom or the Gmeet. Yeah. Okay, select one. Okay, so this is for the next week. This is the next week topic. Yeah, and the next will be delivered for the rest or the next meetings. Yeah, and your conversation must be interactive, meaning each member should contribute equally. Jadi tidak boleh ada yang terlalu dominan, ya. Ada yang meskipun leader harus misalnya leader harus banyak ngomong. No, each of you should contribute equally by giving the ask and answer question, and you have to respond naturally to the ideas of others. Ya, oke. Seperti biasa ya, sebaiknya tidak membaca, zero reading. Ya, practice your English. So setelah ini berarti bisa dipersiapkan ya, you may work in group. Oke, bisa online, bisa offline ya. Kalau offline bisa sekalian di burju begitu ya, for example. And then use clear English, okay. Maintain appropriate turn taking and demonstrate coherence and fluency throughout the discussion. Ya. Sekali lagi, karena waktunya memang terbatas ya, try to speak fluently. Ya, jangan terlalu banyak atau ketawa-ketawa ya. So you have to be wise to use time. Use clear and natural English ya throughout the conversation, and please use the formal English ya. Jadi seharusnya tidak pakai good morning guys, no. Formal English. Maintain interaction, not individual monologues ya. As I said that although you have a leader, it doesn't mean that the leader will talk much or talk more than others. Your group conversation will be assessed based on the 5 simple criteria, yeah? Fluency, accuracy, interaction, vocabularies, yeah? Engage with your group by asking and answering questions. Share clear and contribute equally throughout the discussion before. Berarti H-1. Okay. Dikirim by leader ya. Ya. Sent by leaders. The next week conversation. Ya. Okay. And the leader, your leader will send the draft every Wednesday in WhatsApp. Okay? There is no questions?